Hello! Welcome to Holiday Season Vlog. And this vlog series is composed of 10 episodes including this one. And by the way, this vlog is entirely for the sake of showing you what I'm going to do this holiday season, like Christmas to New Year. I'm going to post 2 to 3 vlogs or videos each week to show you different things I'm going to do. And today's episode is about me going to date myself to celebrate my graduation and me passing the board exam. Kasi I realized few weeks ago na hindi pa pala ako nakakapag-celebrate, like formal celebration. And this one is going to be that. And actually, celebration with my family will be happening probably on Christmas Day, since this Christmas is a double celebration, okay? So, let's start this episode! So, mag-aayos muna. First stop. I don't know. I give up buying flowers. Sumahal pala talaga yung like real flowers, so I'm planning to buy fake one. Walang less of love dito. Yun yung dahilan ba't ako nandito, tapos yun yung wala. What the hell? Since wala naman yung less of love dito, I'm going to grab the 200 pesos flower and then eat. Hindi na kinain ng pa ako, so bought some home sleeper. Kasi bida-bida ako, kaya home sleeper it is. Kaya about Starbucks, ngayon kakain tayo. Where's my rice? Yun na yun? Seryoso ba yan? Bata pa kayo lang. Hindi na natin mo. Hindi ako magaling ng basketball. Ah! Uy! Sila! Uy! Ulan time na. So, nakauwi na ako sa bahay namin. And ngayon, story time kung ano yung nangyari kasi it became such a disaster. Why? First of all, yung sa patos ko. I mean, my heels. Kakasimula ko pala maglakad, be. Sumasakit na siya. So, pagdating South Mall, without realizing na ano pala ng South Mall, dude, wala akong nagawa kundi bumili ng pair of sleevers. To be specific, I bought this two. I mean, this pair. It's a home sleepers and it's super comfy. And second of all, the flowers from supermarket, which is part of the itinerary that I have, is quite expensive. And third of all, yung isa sa mga rason bakit ako sa South Mall pumunta ay wala. Sinungaling ka, Google. Wala silang branches SM South Mall. Like, Lisokri Lab! What the heck? Yan yung pinunta ko. Isa sa mga reason bakit ako pumunta doon tapos sabayin nyo wala. Di sana sa sukat na lang ako pumunta. Diba? So, ayun. Ang ginawa ko lang doon, overall, bumili ako nito sa supermarket. Nakailang balik ako dun, honestly. And then, I bought this. Bought, this thing. It's a 2026 planner. May calendar sa loob, and etc. Mura lang yan. And then, bumili din ako nung ano. Wala na yung GC ko from Starbucks kasi ginamit ko siya today. And surprisingly, masarap yung napili kong drink. It's Java Chip Frappuccino. Tol. Kasi, why not? So, overall, nagawa ko naman yung 500 peso challenge. Except na naligaw ako, tapos may nakita ko dong game park, sabay naglaro ko doon. So, nag-over the budget ako ng 100 pesos. Overall, it's total of 650. Kasama yung 50 na binigay sa akin ng ate ko today. So, yeah, that's the story time. Sayang, hindi ko natikman yung Lesokri Lab, pero at hindi rin tayo nakabili ng bulaklak. Pero, okay lang. Nabad trip ako buong araw. Okay lang. So, see you in the next holiday season vlog. Hopefully, umayos ng lahat sa mga next holiday season vlog. Kasi, I don't want no such a disaster anymore. Like, official goodbye na. Last na to, promise. Since kailangan ko na maghilamos. So, see you at the episode 2.